Hey guys, Say here from Tech, and today we're at Computex in Taiwan, and we are here at the ASUS booth, and as you can see behind me, we're checking out AI. What do we have here? We have the Zenbook, Vivobook, a bunch more stuff, and we're gonna be covering all of them in this video today. Alright, so this one here is the Zenbook S16. 16-inch, pretty light. Looks good, really slim too, so as you can see here, really slim. Actually, feels pretty decent. Also, as you can see, they have new logo here. And this actually brings up Microsoft Copilot. Feels really nice. But what do you think? Zenbook S16. There's another color too. So which one do you like? The usual ASUS aluminum. It's made out of light stuff. That's what makes it really light, and not to mention, really sturdy too. You don't have to worry about destroying this. Well, no, you can't. But anyway, here we have Colin.
What is up?
Say hello to the Tech vlog.
Hey, what's up, Tech? What do you call your community? Yeah, Yuga Peeps.
Hello. You got to know.
You got to know. What's up, mga taga-Yuga?
Alright, so here we have the new ProArt monitors. You have the 8K, 4K, and 6K. Of course, the Zenbook S16, which we saw a while ago. It is a 3K monitor. Perfect for, content creators, photographers, photographers like me. So this is perfect if you actually need to have color accurate monitors and all of that. Just so, you're editing photos, shooting videos, so you need that stuff. But what do you think? And as always, you have Copilot. And here we're going back to the new Vivobook. Still very light. As you can see, easily holdable with one hand. Runs the new Ryzen AI 9 processor. It's got AI, and it's also got the new button right here that shows up Copilot, and you can actually use it to do a lot of stuff. And let's go fishing. See? Over here, you have the lighter, a lot smaller. Perfect if you just wanna, go get along, go on somewhere. And here, this is the S16 that we got to check out a while ago. They already gave us a very helpful tip on how to use AI, and it was really impressive. Now we're moving to the TUF Gaming. Here we have the TUF 16. It's a new one, and they did a lot of stuff with it, and like before, it also has Copilot. Looks pretty nice. It's also quite light, compact. This is the 16, so if you're on a budget and you don't want to go for the full-on Zephyrus, it's a lot heavier, but you got a full-size keyboard, got the usual top stuff, new nice air intake, so your laptop runs a lot cooler. So much good stuff. This is the 14. It's a lot lighter, of course. It's 14 inches. It should be self-explanatory, guys. And I guess that about wraps up this ASUS event quick tour. We're gonna shoot more content here. And here we have Lauren. Say hello to the Tech vlog.
Hi, Tech.
So yeah, this is just a sneak peek of just what ASUS has to offer. We still have a bunch more stuff to check out, which includes the ASUS ROG Ally X. So yeah, be sure to stay tuned. Come back for more. This has been Austin. Peace out.